In a closed society you can't share your expressions with confidence. If you hesitate to share your feelings to another persons, this is the very uh, non-advantage of a closed society. India is a closed society and people can't share his feelings to front of another person because people fear, hesitate of social bad traditions which going on in Indian society. Religious persons take respect, and religious person is important in the Indian society, but educated person not important in Indian society because Indian society is very ancient tradition following, and Western society is open society, and there is flow of idea and thinking. Therefore, Western society is advanced and very ahead rather than Eastern society or Indian society. Therefore, very educated Indians and rich Indian migrate to Western country like United States and European country. Europeans country and American country is the open society. There is not a restrictions to people say or think. In India, people face restrictions, hurdle to express thinking. People fear if I express my feelings, my thinking, my idea front of any person, any organization, any institutions or government, then maybe or might be this is possible to government take actions against me. This is the fear, hesitations in Indian people. Indian constitutions give us right to express own view, own thinking, own idea. Article 19 is the fundamental right. You can speak anything. Anything means is the valuable and not harm any person right. This you can say anything. Travel any place in India and protest peaceful, and this is the many rights given in Article 19. But this is not discussed in society. It is the only in the books in Indian Constitution. Article 19 not expand in Indian society. People not know about Article 19, and if people know, then he fear, hesitate to express something, express on feeling to front any persons. Indian female mostly hesitate and fear because of religions, traditions, and Indian people is shy, hesitation. This is the characteristics of Indian people, very shy and not fear. This is the Indian people face fear in Indian society because Indian society is closed, not open. and this is the fighting in Indian society, differences of thinking in Indian society. This is the difference between Eastern culture and Western culture.